SLJ 900 by 32. The SLJ 900 by 32, manufactured by the Beijing Wao Joint Machinery Company. It weighs up to 580 tons, 91 meters long and 7 meters wide. The colossal machine offers a totally new way to complete large bridge projects without the need for expensive and complex scaffolding and framework structures. After picking up the beam needed from its point of origin, the SLJ 900 by 32 will drive to the pillars of the bridge and lower a pneumatic support structure which essentially anchors the machine to the first pillar, allowing it to extend itself out to the second pillar. From here it moves on to a third, depositing the beam as it does so. To watch it in action is perhaps the easiest way to fully understand its efficient, fluid and fuss-free operation. The machine transports itself, via its set of 64 wheels, which are split into 4 sections consisting of 16 wheels each. Brooks Stacker Reclaimer. The Burke COSR minimizes the space needed to store large volumes of materials by organizing the process into a semicircular pile arrangement. The entire unit meets the highest standards in design, quality of construction and installation. The reclaimer chain drive is typically a shaft-mounted type gear reducer with a motor delivering power to the reclaimer's drive shaft. Maintenance access to moving parts along the length of the Sacker boom is also made easy with a mounted walkway. Komatsu drilling rig. Komatsu drilling rigs are productive solutions for all mine types. This powerful and rugged rotary carriages are able to provide ample torque and bit loading through the toughest rock conditions in the world. Difficult operating environments, such as Arctic conditions, high altitude and weak power grids are no match for this drills. Mainframes and crawler frames are built for maximum strength and stand up to the most challenging hard rock mine conditions. Powerful rotary carriages provide ample torque and bit loading to break through the toughest rock conditions. Drill mast is designed for high cycle fatigue resistance, resulting in less downtime and lower costs for crack repair. Tesmec trencher. Trenching is a cost-efficient and safe solution for a lot of applications such as oil and gas pipeline installation, energy cables and fiber optic laying, telecommunication networks constructions. Tesmec designed and built its first chainsaw trencher 30 years ago, and actually the TRS 1000 trencher model of 1984 was a great commercial success, becoming the standard tool for utility contractors digging in hard rock worldwide. Today Tesmec trenchers are equipped with advanced technology systems and electronic control systems. Bucket wheel excavator. A bucket wheel excavator is a large heavy equipment machine used in surface mining. The primary function of bucket wheel excavator is to act as a continuous digging machine in large-scale open pit mining operations, removing thousands of tons of overburden a day. They rank among the largest vehicles ever produced, and the largest of the bucket wheel excavators still holds the world record for the heaviest land-based vehicle ever constructed. To allow it to complete its duties, the superstructure of a bucket wheel excavator is capable of rotating about a vertical axis. Automation of the BWEs requires integrating many sensors and electrical components such as GPS, data acquisition systems, and online monitoring capabilities. The goal of these systems is to take away some of the work from the operators in order to achieve higher mining speeds. Buma transporting equipment. Buma Group is an international manufacturing leader in the fields of conveying, loading and distribution technology. Buma Group offers the right solution for almost every logistic challenge. Mechanical conveying systems transport large amounts of product horizontally, vertically or at an incline through a dry material processing system. In this equipment, bulk materials are loaded into bulk carriers via belt conveying systems and a vertical telescopic tube. Powdered goods are handled by fully enclosed loading machines.